It's the third time I've come here since the problem started, and it has been a tremendous tragedy. Frankly, I was expecting some improvement in the situation, but I was quite disappointed to see that the situation is still nowhere near what it should be. Here, the need of the hour is peace. Violence is hurting everybody, and I have never seen anywhere in India what is going on here. The state is completely split in two, and it is a tragedy for everybody involved. I want to tell all the people of Manipur, I come here as your brother. I come here as somebody who wants to help you, who wants to work with you to bring back peace in Manipur. And I am ready to do whatever I can. Congress party is ready to do whatever it can to bring back peace here. Anytime you want me to come here, you want me to come here 5 times, 10 times, any amount of times you want me to come here, I'm happy to come here, and I'm happy to listen to what you have to say and try and help you as leader of the opposition.